Howdy dowdy. Here's my Bobber 20. So the next mod on the bike was shade. I don't want to call it as Memphis shades, but that's not a Memphis shade. So it's a shade from, it's a fairing. It's a Road Warrior fairing from Amazon. I paid I believe it was 85 bucks. It came in black. I tried to do the color match with a plastic dip and the headlights. So that was another 80 bucks, I believe. All in all, with the shade, with the fairing, with the lights, cost me somewhere close to 200 bucks with the plastic dip paint on it. So what I want to show you guys is, first let's talk about the lights. The lights are pretty neat. Not that I'm a fan of the halo, but these halos are each individual LEDs. So I'll just do a quick switch on to it, show you guys how it looks like. So that's how it looks like. It's pretty neat. Those amber lights are not connected to the blinkers. They still need to, I mean, they don't connect to the blinkers, but I think we can. But the wiring that comes does not connect to the blinker. Having said that, this is how the shades look like. It's not an easy install. It needs a little bit of back and forth to get it installed. So one of the things that you have to be aware of is you need a spacer right up there. There's a spacer right up there that needs to be connected. This clamp comes in with the fairing, so you need to kind of adjust it to get it done. That's one thing. You need a spacer right up here. This is a new bolt. It's a 13mm bolt, I believe, if I'm not wrong. And then you need to loosen the this is a clamp that connects to the wiring panel right up here. So you need to loosen that up so you could actually slide these guys a little bit inner there and then tighten it up. My future goal is to basically have an L clamp connected to there, so to that clamp, so that it doesn't shake. But it doesn't shake right now. Tighten it up with a little bit of, what do you say, our old zip ties. It's a pretty good investment for 200 bucks. That's how it looks on the bike right now. It's pretty neat, not bad at all. I like the ride. I like the wind resistance that it gives me. I'm 6'2", it hits right above my head, so I'm pretty good with it. If you're wearing an half helmet, you might want to check out using a full helmet when you get this fairing. I'll drop the link on the headlight and the fairing right in my comments on the descriptions. Let me know what you think. This is my Bobber right now.